So, Dr. Bilski, we were talking about, cosmetics, dental cosmetics, but then you mentioned something you have that can actually help with a cold sore.
Yeah, we actually have 4 lasers that can help accelerate the healing of a cold sore. I do not suffer from cold sores, but we have plenty of patients that come in with cold sore issues. And the most patients or people that suffer from cold sores, they know when they can feel it coming on. So it's a prodromal tingling. Say it's right here on the lip. When you get that, you want to call our office right away and come on in. It's $50. It's $50 to have it done, all right? So there's the first one that we use. It could be a CO2 laser from DECA. It's an Italian company. They're the largest providers of lasers in medical. They're moving into dental. And we use that to zap the actual where the feeling is, or if it's starting to come up.
Okay.
And you'll see it kind of like ooze a little bit when we do it. Non-Novocaine, doesn't hurt, about 1 minute, and then it'll crust in day 1 usually, and depending on the patient, and we'll get into that, usually in 3 to 5 days, it's practically gone. You see like a little red spot. If you did nothing, it would take a little more than 2 weeks, all right? You can put your Abreva on, you can take your acyclovir tablets, which we recommend, that's fine. But if you want to accelerate, say you have to be someplace, you're in a speaking event,
right.
And we have some patients that get it from their lip that goes up into the inside of their nose, so do the same thing. The other one is the hilt that we use, it's high intensity light therapy. And then the other ones are diode type of ND-YAG lasers, it's just special pulse and energy penetration, but the bottom line is it's creating a thermal, mechanical, and a photo trauma, if you will, so that the body recognizes it, starts to accelerate the healing process.
It's pretty neat.
Reduces inflammation, cauterize lymphatics, and you're done.
Where do you find out about all these lasers?
Where have I, or where does somebody?
Yeah, no. How do you stay on top of this?
So I'm one of the co-directors at the Midwest Implant Institute in Columbus, Ohio. It's the oldest teaching institute for dentists in the United States. And we have companies that bring us their technology. So Dr. Rob Heller and I are the co-directors, and we are key opinion leaders for the DECA Corporation, Prexion, which is the X-ray company, but the lasers specifically. We go out to Italy almost every other year for training.
So you're seeing literally the newest stuff that's coming out.
Well, not only were we seeing it, the newest one, the hilt that we were talking about, I was the first doctor in the U.S. to have it.
Ooh, nice.
So that's bragging rights.
All right, I like that. That's great. That's
so
cool.
we're utilizing it, and there's going to be probably what's called a white paper, which is for nerdy guys like myself, doctors, dentists, talking about the hilt and how it helps people regenerate gum and bone if they have loose teeth, bleeding gums, and you've been told you're going to have your teeth pulled because there's nothing else we can do. So definitely, if you're that person, you're going to want to get a hold of us at bilskidental.com. Book an appointment for, it's called Smart Perio with the hilt, H-I-L-T.
It's really amazing stuff. All sorts of lasers and all sorts of dental knowledge here, so you'd be in good hands.